Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Anchorage Digital custody for regulated access, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Anchorage Digital website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up option on the home page. Click on that button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your information including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the site's security criteria. Once you've filled in the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link from Anchorage Digital. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Anchorage Digital website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your preferred two-factor authentication method. Once set up, navigate to the Assets or Custody section of your dashboard. Look for options related to activating your digital custody. Select the option that allows you to start the activation process. You may need to provide additional information about your business or personal identification. Complete any necessary compliance checks as prompted by the platform. Review and accept the terms and conditions related to Anchorage Digital's custody services. Submit your application for custody activation. Wait for confirmation from Anchorage Digital regarding the status of your application. Once activated, you will receive instructions on how to fund your custody account. Follow those instructions carefully to deposit assets into your custody account. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Anchorage Digital custody for regulated access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.